Alfa Romeo is fueling that buzz with the official launch of the 2026 GT, a modern reincarnation of a true icon. With a new design language and performance upgrades that challenge even the fiercest competitors, the GT is more than a return. It's a revolution. But wait, because there's one big surprise that hasn't been officially announced yet, and we'll only get to it at the end of this video. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the coolest automotive updates. Now let's dive into the full story of this car. From the first glance, the exterior speaks volumes. The bold, aggressive front fascia is anchored by Alfa's signature shield grille, flanked by sharp LED headlamps that give the car an unmistakable stare. The sculpted hood and wide air intakes hint at the raw power beneath, while the side profile flows seamlessly into a sleek rear. The rear lights stretch across the tailgate with a futuristic flair, while dual exhausts and a sporty diffuser complete the assertive stance. The car is painted in a radiant yellow that demands attention, day or night. Under the hood, the 2026 Alfa Romeo GT doesn't disappoint. Buyers can choose from multiple engine options, starting with a turbocharged inline-4 producing over 300 horsepower, and peaking with a twin-turbo V6 expected to deliver upwards of 500 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive, the GT offers not just speed but confidence-inspiring handling in every condition. Inside, the upgrades continue. A fully digital cockpit greets the driver, complemented by a massive infotainment screen with seamless smartphone integration. Premium materials wrap every surface, while customizable ambient lighting creates a personalized driving atmosphere. And yes, that rumored mystery feature is real, though Alfa is keeping it under wraps until its official unveiling. Expect something that blends AI driving assistance with performance telemetry. More than just looks and tech, this car is a warning shot. With sharpened dynamics, faster acceleration, and a completely redesigned chassis, the GT is aiming squarely at rivals like the BMW M4, Audi RS5, and even the new Lexus RCF. Alfa Romeo is no longer playing catch-up. They're pushing the segment forward with boldness and authenticity. The 2026 Alfa Romeo GT is not just a car, it's a statement. A legendary name reborn with purpose, sculpted for those who demand performance and presence. Whether parked or in motion, the new GT reminds us all why Alfa Romeo was, and still is, a brand that ignites passion.